Hi, I'm Amebi, Chief Consultant, Webcruiseict Gadget Store. Today we're going to be looking at our table phone. We're going to be unpacking it. As you can see, we are unpacking it. This is our table phone. You can see it's new. We are unpacking it. This is the table phone. This is a landline phone that uses GSM SIM card. Landline phone that uses GSM SIM card. We're going to be installing it. This is the charger. This is the phone. That's the speaker. Buttons for dialing up, for dialing numbers. We're going to be putting it on. We're going to be showing you how to use it. You can see it's on, it's powered on. It's like your normal Android phone, but this is just a table phone. It uses any network in Nigeria. This is the we're going to be installing it. To install it, we just need to clip it here. Okay, it's clipped. That's a battery. This is the battery. That's a battery. This is a battery. That's a battery. This is a battery, just like a normal battery. It has long life battery. You can use it for weeks without charging. It's cordless. You don't need to carry. It's good for your children. It's good for your office. You can use this to engage your children. You can use it as your office, as a hotline. That's cord for charging, USB cord for charging, speaker phone, dial-up, call forwarding, call receiving, ringtones, and several others. Don't forget to like our channel, our YouTube channel, Webcruiseict FAQ, how stuff works. Thank you once again for viewing today.